Hello again. My name is Gabe Zona. We're waiting for the Supreme Court to make a decision with that artistic cake baker. You know, the one that has certain religious values and doesn't feel that he has to bake a cake using his artistic talent for two queers that want to get married. This is all the way to the Supreme Court. Now, I think what has to happen is people have to learn the truth about some of these Supreme Court justices. I don't know this for a fact, but I believe that Sonia Sotomayor is a lesbian. I also think that Elena Kagan's a lesbian. And Ruth Ginsburg, she's completely out of her mind. And I think what's going to happen, out of the 9 justices, you might get 4 that'll vote in favor of these 2 homosexuals. And the 5 will vote in favor of the cake baker. You know, you can't be forced to go against your own religious beliefs. The cake baker said, hey, they want to buy a cake? Let them come in and buy a cake. I don't care who buys the cake. But I don't have to use my artistic talent to make a cake for people that I and my religious beliefs aren't in line with theirs. Now, what's wrong with that? Living in a free society? Shouldn't we be allowed to do that? And Sonia Sotomayor, she's looking for, well, yeah, I mean, you know, there's other people that do this and do that. And, you know, I mean, hey, Sonia, go find yourself a man. You can't. You know why? Look at you. Same thing with Elena Kagan. They look like dykes. The Supreme Court's a joke. You've heard me say that countless times. And I'm hoping that that's how this thing gets shook out. I'm hoping that the Supreme Court recognizes that there's a certain amount of freedom of speech that's necessary with respect to our First Amendment rights. And then I'm hoping that they take up Google, Facebook, and YouTube. My First Amendment rights were taken away. I can't even comment on someone else's YouTube. I have been blackballed. That is wrong. That's going after my First Amendment rights in a big way. You want change? Sitting at home watching videos isn't going to get you change. Getting on the phone, writing letters, contacting people that can affect change is what has to happen. You need to demand that these 2 gigantic monopolies, Facebook, Google, YouTube, are taken apart. They control about 80% of the ad revenue. And where do you think that ad revenue is going? It's going to liberals. If I was a liberal, I'd still be on YouTube, making an awful lot of money. They're shoving the ad revenue to liberals and taking it away from honest, law-abiding Democrats. I got that all screwed up. Law-abiding Republicans. It's been a long day. I'm not going to redo this video for that little boo-boo. You sort of know what I think. You know why I think what I think. Let's find out how the Supreme Court rules. I'm again inclined to think they're going to rule in favor of the artistic cake baker. And these 2 homos can go down to, I don't know, go to Walmart. They make wedding cakes, don't they? Thanks for listening.